Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be going over a cheap gel polish set I purchased off of Amazon. This is from Emil. It is a 4-piece set, 10 mLs each. And I think I purchased this, it was $8.99, so $9 after taxes. We're going to go ahead and get these swatched out, and I'll be getting out the video as always.
Clipstock. Clipstock.
In the set, you do receive 4 basic colors. The first one is red, and it is a very bright pigmented red. I think I only used like 1 coat of it, and I got full coverage. And then you just cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and get this one swatched out. And then, of course, you receive black. And again, this is very pigmented. I only needed 1 coat for coverage. Their polishes are actually very thick as well. I think the only other product I've ever used from Emil was their blooming gel polish, their blooming gel. And I actually liked that one really well, and so I wanted to try their other products. And so I went ahead and purchased a cheap gel polish set. And then we have white. And then it does come with a nice nude color. It's like a brownish nude color. Very pretty color. And I did end up using this in my set that I'm going to do later on in the video as well.
Clipstock.
And then this is what they look like cured in the lamp. And I did add a matte and a top coat so you guys could see what that look like. And we're going to go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to be using Nail Couture's XL medium square nails. And I'm going to be doing, some are going to be French and then some are going to be regular. And the set that I just showed you, that is the Freddy side. And I'm doing Freddy versus Jason. I did Freddy off camera because I still wasn't sure the direction I was going to go with, but I actually liked how they turned out. And so I'm going to be doing Jason on camera. And I did 2 coats each, and then I cured it in a lamp for 60 seconds between each layer. I know Halloween is coming up, so let me know if you guys are going to dress up in the comments, if you're going to dress up for this Halloween, or if you guys have any plans or anything like that. For me, I normally don't really go anywhere. I do stay at home. I do like to watch horror movies. I know my favorite one is Freddy vs. Jason, even though it's kind of corny. And then I do like Jennifer's Body, even though it's kind of not Halloween, but it is. But that's one of my favorite ones as well. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and start drawing Jason's face. Again, do not come for me in the comments. I don't do a lot of nail artwork. The only thing I could do is practice, and it turned out pretty good for it being my first time doing any type of nail art. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw a circle and then fill it in with the white gel polish. And I'm going to cure on a lamp for 60 seconds. When I was drawing Jason, I honestly didn't have a reference point. I did look at some pictures on Pinterest and just went off of one of the designs that I saw and kind of easy to remember. So that's what I went off of. And so right now I'm just drawing in the little details of the hockey mask, and then we're going to be moving on.
Clipstock.
And then I am going to be using some molding clay to do his little hockey stick, because on a Freddy set I did go ahead and mold out the Elm Street sign. And this is actually a true story. When I lived in Danville, Illinois, I actually lived on a street called Elm Street when we lived in Danville. So that is something, just a little fun fact for you guys. And then, like I said, I tried to sculpt it out. It really didn't turn out like how I wanted it to, but I went ahead and kept it anyway. So you guys can see I am not new at this. I'm still trying to practice and get used to doing nail art. A lot of people think it's just something that you automatically know how to do, but it takes practice. And the more you practice, the better that you get with it. And so right now I'm drawing the Friday the 13th with the ink pens I purchased a long time ago. I have those linked in the description box. Anything I use in the video, as always, I'll have a link for you down below. And as always, this is not a sponsored video. This is sponsored by my bank account. I think this is one of the most advanced sets I've ever done. If you look back at, I'll try to link one of my old videos for my Halloween set that I did. So it's actually pretty advanced for me, at least because I was able to do a little bit of nail artwork and some molding as well. For the blood, I'm just using the red that came in the set. And then I'm just using our old toothbrush head, and I'm doing my blood splatter. And then I'm going to cure in a lamp for 60 seconds. And then we're just going to go ahead and apply a top coat.
Clipstock. Clipstock. Clipstock.
And this is the end result. I hope you guys have a fun and safe Halloween. As always, I love you guys. Be kind to each other. And I will see you on my next one.